Okay, it's part 2 again. I don't know what it's doing that kid. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Chuck, chuck. We get the bathtub or not? Of course, absolutely not. Tuck, 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 tuck. I get messing this house. Hey, just clean up this. Okay, I'm sorry. Hurry up. Okay, I will. What the? You go to that nowhere. What the frick are you doing? Just follow me. You're not to follow me. I will punch you. Oh my god, I can't. Follow me. Okay. Don't be evil. I don't get it. Actually not. Mom is angry for you. You're nothing. You're gonna baby queen. Okay. What are you doing, Tessa? I get your best friend. I your sister. I am brother. I stole it a word. Shut up. Oh, okay. I'm being back. This talking. Okay. Well, get the computer today. It's raining. Oh my gosh. Try to sleep. You're not going to be the TikTok. Tidot. Bruh. Okay. I play this sleep because you're moving. I go to bed. Blah 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 blah. What are they doing? I think they're watching TV down. Let me see. Chuck. What is it doing? I play sleep. I just TikTok. Okay, you think so? I just TV. Why is that closing? Yeah, you're being nasty. I just TV. Okay, not there. No people. They right. They playing. Just don't open the TV. Are you over? I am passing you. It's raining. It's stopped. Oh my gosh. I bet the idea now. What idea? It's today. I gotta watch TV. Yay! Bruh. I'm so sleepy now. I sleeper. I come bed. Oh yeah. It's night time. They still sleeping. Guys, it's today. Okay. I guess it's night time. Let's go to the bath. And mommy, daddy is angry at me that they go out. Okay, you think so? Okay, I get the bath now. What is the word? Why they not opening that light? What the? Why not open the light? Okay, I get the bath. Okay. And so she's bathing. I don't see. I'm done. I try it. Check. I'm done. Okay, I get the pajama. Guys! What are you guys doing? It's lunchtime! Goo gaga. Okay, it's Alfred the night. No. It's happened now. Oh my gosh. it's still night. It's just a dream. It's just a dream, honey. It's just a dream, honey. It's just a dream, honey. Okay, it's a dream. I know. Okay, I'm done. Okay, it's dinner time. Actually, I see Daddy is snowing. And what happened? I'm going now. Okay, I don't know what happened, guys. And let's see this. I get a pajama now. Yeah. But it's still not hit me. Okay, it's my turn, but I get reading because... Hey, my number card! No, don't touch it! Give me! Don't touch my number card, okay? I punish. I just punish you. Oh, they not work. And they work now. Okay, guys. Okay, this is that. Okay, I just prank. Let's use the wash. I can't breathing. I stop. Help me, Daddy. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I'm done. I just don't see it by you. Don't you see it? Because it's so yucky. It's a standard. I think so, but I can't feel it because Mommy and Daddy is to get the funny. Okay, I get dressed up. Where's my outfit now? Oh my God, my outfit is missing. Haha, that is for you. I told you, don't missing your outfit. Oh my God, my outfit. No! My outfit. Okay guys, this is that at the video. And thank you for watching next video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe this video. Bye!